Using shift with unevenly spaced data. Hopefully this example speaks for itself. I want to create level with shift but need it to be nan if the prior year is missing. Desired output, level. I have a decent solution for this, posted as an answer, but am looking for alternatives. I have spent some time looking at all the time series functions, but that seems like overkill here. It seems like I would end up converting year to a true timestamp, resampling, shifting, and then dropping missing values. But maybe there is a simpler way.
For what it's worth, here's a time series solution, which obviously takes a bit more code. I'm not familiar with Stata, but just skimming the docs, it sounds like PST does something similar, conforming the data to a specified frequency.